In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the square root in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel makes it very easy to perform mathematical calculations, including finding the square root of numbers. Instead of solving square roots manually, Excel allows you to calculate them instantly using built-in formulas. This is extremely helpful when working with large data sets or when you need consistent and accurate results across many rows of numbers. In this worksheet, you can see that the table is organized into several columns. Cell A1 contains the header labeled Item, and the cells below it, starting from A2 downward, contain letters such as A, B, C, D, and so on. These letters simply identify each entry in the table. The actual numerical values that we want to calculate the square roots for are located in column B under the header Number. To begin calculating square roots using Excel's built-in function, click the cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, the results are placed in column C under the header SQRT function. Select cell C2, then type an equal sign followed by SQRT and open a parenthesis. After that, click the number located in cell B2 since that is the value we want to calculate. The formula will appear as equals SQRT B2. Press Enter and Excel will instantly calculate the square root of the number in B2. Once the formula works in the first row, you can apply it to the rest of the table. Copy the formula from C2 down through the remaining cells in column C. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references so that each row calculates the square root of the corresponding number in column B. Another method you can use is the exponent operator. In column D, under the header Exponent Operator, parenthesis 0.5, close parenthesis, click cell D2 and type equals B2 caret 0.5, then press Enter. This formula raises the number in B2 to the power of 0.5, which produces the same square root result. You can then copy this formula down the rest of column D. Excel will automatically calculate the square root for each number listed in column B using this second method. Both the SQRT function and the exponent operator provide the same result, so you can use whichever method you prefer when calculating square roots in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.